What kind of lights do you recommend? This is a really great subject. If you're a classical painter or if you're interested in painting, this is the single easiest investment you can make that's going to drastically improve the quality of your studio and your paintings as a result. As you can see behind me, softbox lights, that's what I use. I've got 5 of them in here in my studio, and there's quite a wide variety out there. If you're a beginner, you can easily find something that's going to work very well for $70 or less, and you can often find them in sets if you go on Amazon. Here's what I use, and I'll link to these. It's actually 2 for under $70. This is the single best investment you can make, in my opinion. The first reason that you need to have good lights, especially if you're going to be working from life, is that it's going to cast the proper light onto your model. You're gonna have a good solid highlight, and you're going to have strong shadows that's going to illuminate the form. It's going to make it so much easier to actually achieve a voluminous effect in your paintings, and you're going to be able to actually distinguish where these different breaks in the face are happening. The second part, which I think most people don't even think about, this is just neglected. The light that you have on your model, you should have on your painting. And even better, you need to make sure you have a good direct light on your painting so that you can see everything. If you aren't able to see what's going on with your painting, then you're going to make all kinds of mistakes and be totally unaware of it. So if you have dim or dull lighting, if you're working with house lights, that's not gonna cut it. You gotta get brighter lights. You need to have a sufficient amount of light on your painting so you can actually see all of those mistakes. And that way, no matter what kind of lighting you take it into, it's still going to work. It's still going to look good because you have the sufficient lighting. If you take it into a dimmer setting, you take it into a warmer setting, whatever it may be, it's still going to look good. But if you only have a dim light and you're trying to paint in that, as soon as you take that into a brighter setting, the whole painting is going to fall apart. So I would say this is the absolute first thing you should be investing in as a painter. Even if you're a beginner, this is going to make a world of difference. This is so much more important than even getting higher quality materials, because it's going to completely change the way that you're seeing the painting and your model. And on top of that, these are going to last you a long time. Your paints run out. These are going to be around for many years.